Good morning, student. On last turn, I explain you question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 11.2. All these are the constructions of tangent to a circle. Now let us see question number 4. Of exercise 11.2. Draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. This is a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Tangent is inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So, we will take angle (120°), 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. This is 60, this is 120, this is the point B. Now, draw the perpendicular from point A. We will draw the arc from a point A. From point A, we will draw the arc, then we will form 60 degree angle, 120 degree angle, and then we bisect it from this point and from this point. So, this join with point A. This is the tangent. Also, from a point B, we will draw the angle of 90 degree. We will draw the arc from a point B. Then this is 60, this is 120, and perpendicular of it is 90 degree. So, it is both intersect at a point B. PA and PB are the two tangents such that angle APB is 60 degree. Now, see the question number 5. Draw a line AB of 8 centimeter. Take A as center. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. From A, distance 4 centimeter, we will draw the circle. From a point A, and another, taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. From a point B, this is radius 3, we will draw the circle of 3 centimeter. Now construct the tangent to each circle from the center of the other circle. Means from a point B, draw the tangent of circle A. From a point A, draw the tangent to the circle B. So first of all, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. From a point A, draw an arc, and also from a point B, draw another arc and join it. It intersects at a point M. Taking M as a center, draw the circle which passes through A and B. Draw the circle taking as M as center and radius MA. It also passes through a point B. It intersects at P, Q, R and S. Join AP and BAQ, and also draw BR and BS. So AP and AQ are two tangents. BR and BS are also two tangents. Let us see question number 6. Let ABC is a right angle triangle in which BC is 8 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter and angle B is 90 degree. AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter and angle B is 90 degree. So first of all, draw a line BC of 8 centimeter. Draw the angle of 90 degree by using compass. From a point B, we will draw the arc. This is 60 degree, then this is 120 degree. Bisector of these points, this is the 90 degree angle. Now AB is 6. From a point B, draw the bisector of 6 centimeter from a point B to a point A. Join AC. So ABC is a right triangle. Second part, BD is perpendicular from a point B on AC. Draw the perpendicular on side AC from a point B we will take from a point B, draw the arc, this is point P and Q. From a point B we will put the arc, first from a point B we will draw the arc PQ, then from a point P we will draw the arc, and also from a point Q we will draw another arc which intersect at R, join BR, it intersect AC at point D. Third part, the circle through B, C and D is drawn. The circle through B, C and D is drawn. First we will draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. From a point B we will this put arc and this arc, and from a point C we put this arc and this arc, join it, and also draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. From a point D we will draw the arc, and also from a point C draw the arc, join this arc, both are cut at a point S, taking S as a center, and radius BS, we will draw the circle, it will passes through D and C, passes through C and D. Now construct the tangent from a point A to this circle. This is AB is a tangent because it is perpendicular. We will take AB as a distance and draw the another tangent from a point A. Draw another arc of 6 centimeter from a point A, which intersect the circle at point E. Join AE. So AE is the another tangent to a circle. So again I am going to explain question number 4, 5 and 6. First, draw a pair of tangent to a circle of radius 5 centimeter. First of all, we will draw the circle of radius 5 centimeter. The tangents are inclined at 60 degree. So we will draw the angle of 120 degree on OA, which intersect at a point B. Now draw the perpendicular from a point A of 90 degree and also perpendicular from a point B. Both perpendicular intersect at a point P. So PA and PB are the two tangents. Question number 6, fifth. AB is a line of 8 centimeter. Taking A is a center, draw the circle of radius 4 centimeter. and radius 3 centimeter, draw another circle. From point A, draw the tangent to circle B with center B, and from a point B, draw the tangent to circle A. So, how will you draw it? We will draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. From a point A, we will draw this arc, and also from point B, draw another arc. Both arcs intersect at point M. Taking M as a center of radius AM, that is 4 centimeter, draw the circle. It will passes through a point B. Join both the circles intersect at P, Q, R and S. This circle intersect the both circles at P, Q, R and S. Join BR and BS, AP and AQ. AP and AQ are two tangents, B and R and BS are also two tangents. Now see the question number 6. First we will draw a right angle triangle. BC is 8 centimeter. Draw the angle of 90 degree from a point B and cut the arc of 6 centimeter at a point A. Join AC. ABC is right angle triangle. Second part, draw the perpendicular on AC. How will you draw it? From a point B, we will put this arc. This arc intersect at point P and Q. From a point P, we will draw any arc, and also Q, draw another arc which intersect at R. Join BR, it intersect AC at D. So, BD is perpendicular to AC. Third part, draw a circle passing through B, C and D. So, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of BC and also CD. Both circle intersect at a point S, taking S as a center and radius BS, draw the circle, it will passes through a point D and C. So, this is the circle passes through BCD. Fourth part, draw the tangent from a point A to this circle. So, AB is a tangent, it is of 6 centimeter. We will also draw another tangent which is also 6 centimeter. AE is another tangent. AB and AE are the two tangents. So, here this chapter is completed.